Welcome students. Today we are going to continue with our next topic, that is fluid friction. Fluid friction is the frictional force exerted by fluids against a moving object. That is, it is the opposing force exerted by fluids against a moving object. So, and what are fluids? Fluids are the things which can flow. For example, all liquids and all gases are called fluids. So it is the frictional force exerted by liquids as well as gases. It depends upon three factors. Number one, nature of the fluid. Number two, shape of the moving object. Number three, speed of the moving object. So nature of the fluid means how dense the fluid is. More the density, more will be the friction. Shape of the moving object. It depends upon the shape of the moving object also. We'll see with an activity that how the shape of a moving object changes fluid friction. Third, speed of the moving object. More the speed of moving object, more will be the fluid friction. Now, next we have streamlined shape. A special shape that lowers the frictional drag between a fluid and an object moving through that fluid. Means there are certain shapes that lowers the frictional force between a fluid and a moving object. So such shapes are known as streamlined shape. In streamlined shape is present in birds, fish, ship, aeroplanes, racing cars, and many other vehicles. So, we are trying to have streamlined shapes in order to increase speed and to decrease fluid friction. Streamlined shape is mostly pointed in its front end. You might have seen that birds, fish, ship, aeroplanes, racing cars, they all have pointed tips. So why they are made pointed in the front part? Because in order to decrease friction and in order to increase their speed. So when the objects are made of this shape, there is streamlined flow of the air or the fluid. Streamlined flow is a systematic regular flow of a fluid in which all the particles that pass any given point follow the same path with same speed. What happens? That all the particles, they pass a given point and follow the same path and with the same speed. Because of this reason, fluid friction decreases to a great extent. So it increases speed. So there is increase in speed. So why the objects have streamlined shapes? In order to increase speed and to decrease fluid friction. So up to this only. Now with this topic we have finished our chapter. Thank you students.